girls. It is bright and early. It's 7:24 in the morning on a Saturday. And I have a house full of late risers. But I am up and I'm about to have some breakfast and I'm going to a workout class for 8. I made my overnight oats with blueberries and I added some blueberries and coconut on the top, but it's got oat milk and oats and chia seeds. So let's eat some of it before I class. Lord, help me look at this face. Hello, darling daughter. Are you okay? Esme was like, where were you? I'm usually not up that early. I can't even hold this. My arms are so tired. Hold on.
You look so sweaty.
I am sweaty. I'm dripping. Con of pixie hair. There is no hair to hold the sweat. So it was just like pouring down my neck. Well, I did the class this morning. It was an hour of cardio and like resistance bands. And so these bands hang from the ceiling and you're doing like resistance and then cardio jumping and push-ups and donkey push-ups and burpees, and like my ears actually hurt, you know, when you haven't worked out hard like that in a while. Wow. But I gotta say, starting the weekend off like that, it's off to a good start. Here, I'll get you at a good angle. Good morning. Badra is helping make breakfast for the kids. We got some toast and some bacon going.
I'm not a kid. My name's Esme and I'm not a toddler.
No, you are not a toddler.
Jack's a toddler.
Is he a toddler?
Yeah.
He toddles?
Is he a toddler?
3 is like a preschooler.
Right.
Yeah, preschooler.
He's a toddler.
I like the way you say it, toddler. So it snowed out there. We kind of had plans to go meander and mosey around, but like, not in the snow. It's hard to do that kind of stuff. So we'll see what the day holds, but first stop, some water and like catch my breath. And how are the overnight oats?
They're very good.
I am so glad. I did not pay her to say that. For the love, I had recorded. I said this whole thing and it wasn't recording. So I made the overnight oats. She can attest to that fact that they actually taste good. I don't know if you saw any of me blending this lovely smoothie, but I just made this smoothie. Walnut, all sorts of yummy things post-workout. No protein powder in this because I am eating a ton of just heavy food and it's like too much, you know? So yeah, we're gonna have a little breakfast and then shower. I'll get showered and we'll start this day already. Showered and hair is blow dried and washed. That feels really good. Has it cooled down yet? Yeah, it's cooled down enough. Put this away. And my new favorite is this Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. That's a mouthful.
I'll kill you.
Hey, I can hear you. Those two. There, the kids' room is all clean-ish. There's some things that might be laundry, but I'm doing laundry tomorrow, so I'll just leave it for now. Just kind of tidied everything up, and the bedroom is tidy. I'm gonna bring this down for recycling. So I wanted to kind of just wait and see if I enjoyed the site, and I gotta say, I'm really enjoying it. So I'm still on the hunt for side tables, so eventually this will move to a side table, but this is the alarm clock, and I really like it. It has a really cool sunset setting, and anyway, I'm enjoying it. It's 11:22 and I haven't even had coffee yet, so exercise kind of works.
I thought that was Becky.
Elizabeth.
What's your name?
Esme. Wait, no, Rosie.
Rosie. Not Rosalita?
Rosie.
Esme, were you having a big argument with Siri this morning?
Yeah.
What was she saying?
She said, I said, like, tell me a story. And he said, I bet you already heard it.
She's sassy, that Siri.
Yeah, and she says, hello, Dean.
Like, hello, your name's not Dean.
Yeah, she says, I I said, what's my name? And she says, you're Dean. But since we are friends, I call you Rosalita.
Nice. I like that you've trained Siri to call you Rosalita. What is going on with Tiny Skeleton
Where'd
over
you get
there?
that name from?
Daddy calls me Rosalita.
Because sometimes I call her Esmeralda Rosalita. It's her birth name.
Rosalita. Mommy, why does she always get to go outside her little feet?
Whoa, Jackie, oh. Jeez Louise.
Mom, is it on?
Yeah, it's recording.
Sorry.
So just making some lunch for everybody. Kind of a mixture.
There's my food,
Yeah.
and then there's the chicken,
Mm-hmm.
and Mom's cutting up some.
Cucumbers.
Yep.
And for those wondering, wait, there's Patra over there. Patra's here because sometimes when Dean is away at work, Patra will come and stay over and just give me a hand because parenting can be tough and it's nice to have an extra person to help, which is why I got to go to my workout class this morning. Adventure number 2. So we're headed to our library, and in our library there's a little art gallery sometimes, and so they have some beautiful things on display, collections that have been sent to my town, and it's just quite a lovely spot. Also, we're just meandering with the kids, so just kind of kicking it. We already had lunch at home, so we don't need to eat lunch out, but we might go for a little treat after the library. We'll see. That must have taken a very long time.
Jack, stop.
Sit with me, Patra. Cozy. Just get snuggly. She's quite cuddly. I'm tired. It's that time of day where I'm like,
I know, it's like nap time. Take a snack and then we just...
legit. Hence this book. This is called Moral Disorder by Margaret Atwood, Canadian author. She did *Handmaid's Tale*.
Yes.
So I'm obsessed. I keep telling Patrick, like, watch the show, so we could talk about it. But anyway, that show is like a little bit terrifying. But this book seems good. It's like she's telling stories from different people over time, and I love that. What was that movie called? If These Walls Could Talk. Did you ever see that movie?
No, but I know which one you're talking about.
And it's like a house, and then it shows like different people who have lived in the same house. So anyway, I love those kinds of stories, so I'm excited.
Good job.
And I got all my work done for the weekend. So I might actually just do laundry.
Oh, both hands.
Wait.
There we go.
Do it again. Do it again. There we go. Took a few times. But I don't have any work to do. I just have laundry, and I'm thinking I might actually read this. I'm gonna try to read a book. What is that? Exercise, reading books.
Didn't have coffee till like 11 a.m.
That's a thing.
Yeah.
Can't believe it. I tell
We've
you.
eaten healthy like all day.
All day.
All day.
I really wanted Oreos. We didn't have any left. Not that Oreos are a
Biscuits and
problem.
Oreos.
That's a crime. Golden Oreos. What's this? She's like, they're good.
Yeah, I don't know.
Archie.
That's the issue.
Cool.
I know, those gloves aren't the best for snow. Hey, come on in. Jack was just helping me shovel here. Let's get in there and go get something to drink and eat. Come on. One of my easy dinners for the kids is I just get a cooked ham, slice it, and I pan fry it in the cast iron. And then I just fry up some potatoes, and I'm doing a vegetable. I'm trying out some butternut squash for the kids tonight. And I try to get the vegetables on them. They're gonna have to have at least 2 bites tonight. But I know for sure they'll eat the ham and the potatoes because it's delicious. So yeah, that's what's for dinner tonight. And I'm just listening to NPR's Ask Me Another. It's one of my favorite podcasts. I'll link it below. It's just fun and mindless entertainment. It's a game show. It's really fun. And having a glass of Pinot Noir tonight. It's my favorite. And that's what's on the menu. All right, the ham is almost done. We've got the butternut squash. Careful, that's hot, sweetie pie. And the potatoes are done. Esme likes them nice and crispy. There's dinner. Dinner's coming. Last coffee of the day. Who are you? I'm gonna get you! Get those kids! Get those kids! Well, we're just about to go to bed. Little cutie patootie. Jack's trying to negotiate whether or not he should wear a diaper to bed. What do you think? Diaper or no diaper? No diaper. However, we're not quite.
I'm wearing shorts.
You are wearing shorts, but we're not. Is Daddy still there or you had to go?
You have to go.
And there you have it. It is about 10 o'clock. It took a long time to get Esme to fall asleep tonight. Jack would have fallen asleep much sooner, but both kids have been in bed with me for a while now. It's funny, you know, like I set them up in their own room and they're sleeping fine. And then in the middle of the night, Jack would like kind of find his way into our bed and okay, fine. And I'm sure you guys know, like I co-slept for a long time. But they were ready and Esme was doing fine. And then Dean was just working a lot more than he had for a few months. And the kids were just finding themselves back in my bed and now they're like in my bed again. So it's a thing. And I don't know, it's like, it's not really the end of the world. Like we have 2 bedrooms that have king beds. And so Dean often just crashes in the other one. But you know, it's like, it's a tough one. And if you co-sleep, I'm sure you understand. And if you don't co-sleep, you're probably like, you're insane. But you just do what works for your family, right? And so co-sleeping, the kids sleep really well. And for some reason, they don't wake up in the night. And if they do, they just go back to bed because I'm there. So obviously, they're having trouble staying in their own beds. And it's not the end of the world right now. However, I'm always hesitant to share that because the internet, it's a bizarre place and people have a lot of opinions, and so it can be like a weird thing to share. They're cozy in there and it's okay, and the dog sleeps with them. You know, I feel like it's just hard, and you know, it's so easy to go, oh, we'll just do this because this worked for us, but we don't have a normal, typical, common life in the sense where both parents are home and both parents work Monday through Friday, and you always guarantee that dad's gonna be home every night, and like it's not like that. And so you have to adapt to your surroundings, and the nature is that sometimes Dean is away for a couple days in a row, and when that happens, the kids feel unsettled and they miss their dad, and there is a lot of tears. There were a lot of tears tonight before bed, and it's hard. It really is hard. And you know, that's why Patra was here today, because sometimes you need distraction and sometimes I need help. And tomorrow my dad's coming by. So you do what you can, you know, and night times are hard and I feel a little bit tired and burnt out. I do have to say though, that starting this workout, I feel tired. Like my body is actually like tired, but it feels really good to have had that, just that release of energy, and I need that in my life. And it's just been very apparent to me in the last few weeks that I haven't had that kind of release, and it feels damn good. So I'm making it a priority. I already have Mondays and Wednesdays class booked, like I'm good to go. And it's exciting. I was gonna watch TV, but you know what? I got this book and I was really enjoying it in the library. So I think I'm just gonna actually cozy up on the sofa with a blanket, and I'm gonna get a drink, and I'm gonna read this. Truth be told, just had a big yawn. But truth be told, I could go to bed right now. I'm quite tired. That's another perk of working out, is I legitimately feel tired, which never happens. So, well, that's not true. I feel tired. I don't feel sleepy. I always feel like I have stuff to do, but I managed to get a lot of stuff done yesterday, so I'm good. Anyway, read my book, and I'm gonna stay awake till 11, and then I'm gonna call it a night because I'm trying to do 2 things: work out and start sleeping better. So we shall see how this all works out. Anyhow, if you're new, please consider subscribing. I put out videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I'll be back on Wednesday with a weekly vlog. And then on Friday, I'm actually gonna be, it's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be another react to video, so I think you're gonna enjoy that one. All right, I'll wrap it up. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.